Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Let's Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you're going to learn how to mask text in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can mask text in CorelDRAW. Simple trick. So let's get started.
Never break, always fight.
First step to take is to go to your home tab right here and make sure you click on import icon. Then select your image. Come here and click on import. You have to come and cross and drag down all over. Then press P to centralize. Next thing you want to do is to go to your tools bar right here and make sure you select your type tool. Then you can make a type. Mask. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the home tab right here. Go to the type width, type in 100% and press enter. Then go to the font style and choose your font style. So I'm using Chook 5EX. Then press P to centralize. Next thing you want to do is to press Shift key and select the leaf shape, leaf picture. And then come to the home tab right here. Make sure you look for intersect. Intersect, okay? When you choose intersect, you have to fall back to the text. Press delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you have to do is to select the intersect. Having selected your intersect, you have to come to the tools bar right here. Click and hold down. And then make sure you choose shadow. Having choose shadow, you have to come to the shadow property right here at the top here. Make sure you choose small glue. Having choose small glue, you need to change the color. Come to the top right here and use your high color dropper. Pick a dark green. Next thing you want to do here is to come to the layer style. Make it multiply. With this, you are able to create simple text marks in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.